Shivakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management. So today we continue the class, first BBA, second semester, quantitative techniques in the unit number 7, permutations and combination. Yesterday we are explained what is the concept of permutations and combinations. So already know the permutations means the arrangement of elements, The combinations means the selection of elements, already you know very well. So then I can also I was explain the formula for permutations and combinations. So and, I also explained some two problems related to permutations and combinations. So today I will continue the same chapter with some applications problem. Okay. So in your study materials, especially this chapter is a most important chapter, and we can expect the some important questions, especially related to application oriented problems. In the yesterday class, so we are work out some problems related to permutations and combinations. So in the permutations, actually I was solved one problems. The problems is called as how many ways 4 digits number greater than 8,000 can be framed in the number of 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. The same type of questions in your study material. The question number 6. The question number 6 in your study material. How many numbers between 200 and 600 can be formed? By the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then also ask the question, how many even numbers? Even numbers? So what is the question? First understand the question. The question is, so what is the number? This is the arrangement. It's related to arrangement. That is permutations. What is the question? You should be find out what is the numbers in between 200 to 600. 200 to 600. So the digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 5 and 6. So out of these digits, how many numbers you can frame between 200 to 600? So let us, we can, first you should be frame the, tables. Okay. So here 3 digits, is it right? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The first number, the number in between 200 to 600. So in case the first number will be 1, that means it is less than 200. So what is the problem? Here we are not take this one. Then in case the number, in the number 2 we can take, number 3 we can take, number 4 we can, number 5 we can, number 6, if you take number 6, the value is more than 600. So here the first number is not possible. We will not take 1 and 2. 1 and 6. Then what is the remaining? You take out of these number. That means out of 4 number we can take 1 number. What are the 4 number? 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Remaining 3 digits, that is digit number 2, digit number 3, we can then remaining all the numbers. What is the number? So out of 6 digits, already we take 1 number. So what is the remaining? Out of 5 digits, we can take 2 digits. Clear? So just you can use the equations 4p1 into 5p2. You can get the answer. What is the problem? How many numbers we can arrange in between 200 to 600 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first digits only for you take 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we can expect these type of questions in your examinations. So another type of problems in your examination, especially for in your competitive exams, they ask the questions in any UPSC and KPSC examination. What type of questions? Like in your study materials, they are given one words like Bangalore, Mysuru or university. How many ways we can arrange these word that type of question we can expect it. For example, Mysuru. Now we can write Mysuru, is it right? Then how many way arrange these letters? So how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this word, the no one single letter is repeated. So all single digits, is it right? So we can write this word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6p, that means 6 factorial. We can write directly 6 factorial. In case the word in this word, if the letter is repeated, so here the Mysuru, is it right? The U is repeated 2 times. Here 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, because U is repeated 2 times. Clear? So we can 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 1. So on that time you get the answer. In case in this word in your study materials, Kollegala. Okay, here Kollegal. In this word, L is repeated 3 times. L is repeated 3 times. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factorial divided by L is repeated 3 times. Divided by 3 factorial. Clear? Sometime, for example, in the word college. So how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 factorial divided by, here the L is repeated 2 times. 2 factorial, then E is also repeated 2 times into 2 factorial. Okay, so you get the answer. This type of questions you can expect in your examination. In a UPSC, KPSC, banking exam, so many times last year, if FDA they asked the question, how many way you can arrange the Mysuru, the word Mysuru. Okay. In yesterday, I was work on problems related to combinations. In the combination, how many team you can select it. So that type of questions in your study material. In the question number 15, especially for related to cricket team, selection of cricket team. Okay, there are 16 cricket players, of whom 4 batsmen, 5 bowlers, and 2 wicket keepers. The rest of all grounders. How many way you make a team? The number is 11 members teams. The terms and condition, the first term and condition. So in the team, 3 members are batsmen, 4 members are bowlers, 1 is wicket keeper, 3 will be all-rounder. The second one, 4 batsmen, 2 bowlers, 1 wicket keeper, 4 all-rounder. So just you make a table. It's very easy. First you write is a batsman, bowler, wicket keeper, and all-rounder. So total numbers are there. The first total batsman will be 4 batsmen, total batsmen. The 5 bowlers. Okay. Then 2 wicket keepers. 2 wicket keepers, and rest of means 4, 5, 2. 11 minus 16, that is remaining 5 members are all-rounder. What is the first option? So first option, 3 batsmen. Then 4 bowlers, then 1 wicket keeper, 3 all-rounder. The second option, 4 batsmen, 2 bowlers, 1 wicket keeper, 4 all-rounder. This is very simple. If you write this one, we can continue. How you write the equations? 4 P3 into 5 P4 into 2 P1 into 5 P3. The second option, out of 4 P4, that is 4 factorial, into 5 P2 into 2 P1 into 5 P4. So we can simplify this one, you can find out. So what are the possibilities of a range of selection of the team? Okay, sorry, this one is not a arrangement, it's a selection. It's not a arrangement, selection. This is C. It's a selection, it's not arrangement. So it will be C. Okay. So in your study materials, like in the question number 16, from 6 men and 4 women, a committee of 4 is to be framed. In how many ways can these be done so that the committee contains the same, same type of questions. Same type of questions. The committee selections means comes in a combination. What is the question? So total 5 men's. Total 5 men's and 4 women. 5 men, 6 men's and 4 women. Okay. So what is the question? So in the first question, what is the first question? So out of these 6 men and 4 women, it should be selected 4 members. So what is the first condition? So in the condition first one, the women exactly 2 members. Exactly 2 members. Exactly 2 members. So what is the possibility? So if you selected 2 as women, what is the remaining? 2 will be men. Okay, it's very easy. What is the second one? Second option? Second question. At least 2 women. At least 2 women. There is a possibility are there. At least 2 women means minimum 2. Maximum will be either 3 or 4. Okay, but minimum. Okay, just check it. At least 2 means first 2, then remaining 2 will be boys. So the total women is 4. Is it right? The possibilities are 3 women. What is the remaining? 1 you can take selected as a men. So this is the combination of at least 2 women. At least 2 women means minimum 2, maximum will be 3 or 4. In case if you take 4 members, in this committee there is no men. Okay, so the chance is only for 3 women, 1 man. Sorry, 3 women, 1 man. That is the answer for second one. Then another one is at most 3 women. At most means maximum is, at most 3 women. Maximum is 3 women. 3 women. Maximum 3. It means the first one, maximum 3. If you take 3 women as a committee members, then what is the remaining? 1 should be selected men. At most 3. You can select 2 also. If you take selected 2, then it should be selected 2 as a woman, then the remaining will be men. If you selected 1 woman, the remaining 3 will be men. So this is the answer for at most 3 women in the committee. So just you can it's a combination 6C2 into 4C2. So this is the how for the most important is how you make the table. This is the most important. First you should be understanding the question. Either it will be at most, at least. First you very clear about that. First you should make the table, then you can use the simplify the. So these type of question we expected for the 10 marks even your examination. Okay. I think it's very clear about the permutations and combination. So it's the most important chapter. So we expected 10 marks question. Okay, and we are also expected the 5 marks question. Permutations and combinations. Let us go for the next unit. The unit called as probability. What is called as probability? So one of the interesting subject topic, the probability. The probability means possibility. Probability means possibility. Means the probability means we are prediction of future on the basis of some experiment. For example, like madhyana agide, what is the possibility male baro chances ಇದೆ? So weather irtade, dry weather irtade. What do you consider? So the probability of rain is be less than, means naವೇನಂತೀವಿ 50% chance ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. In case evening ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, like like some cloud weather irtade, so ಏನಂತೀವಿ the possibilities of rain ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ 70% 80% ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. That is the probability means the chances of occurrence. The chance of occurrence, that means what we expected, that means it's a prediction of future. The probability is one of the most important, especially for the business, for finding our future expectation, our profit, our sales volume. Okay, so this is one of the unique chapter, and it's very useful your career. So let us give an example. The probability is nothing but the chance of occurrence. For example, if I toss one coin, what is the probability of getting the head? What is the probability of getting the head? So in case if I toss one coin, what is the possibility for getting the head? What are the chances are there? This coin, either it will be head, either it will be tail. Is it right? So what is the chance of head? That is 50%. Is that right? So these called as probability. The probability formula, the probability A, that is said equals m divided by n. The n means total chances. Total chances. M is favorable. What is my expectation? My expectation head. But the coin, either it will be head or tail. The possibilities are there. But what we expected? We expected head. Clear? So the total chance, all the possibilities will be 2. My expectation, my favorable is only for head. That is the one. That is called as probability. Clear? Okay. Let us give some another example. For example, if you task 2 coins, what is the probability of getting the 2 coins are head? 2 coins are head. So in case if you toss 2 coins at the same time, the 2 coins may be head. Is my expectation. Is it right? So coin 1 is head, coin 2 is tail. This possibilities are. Then coin 1 is tail, coin 2 is head. That is also possible. Then both the coin are tail. Okay. So what is my prediction? What is the probability of getting the both the coins are head? So out of 4 event, if I out of 4 event, the possibilities of getting only for 1. The probability of getting all the two kinds, all the two kinds, it will be probabilities only for 25%, that is 1 by 4. That is called as probability. Okay. Like in your examinations, they will ask, for example, the dice. The dice, the dice, is it right? In the dice, how many numbers are there? 6 numbers. Is it right? 1, 2, 3. You carry down with the 4, 5. Then backside is 6. Like Pagadayata. Is it right? Okay. What is the probability of getting the 6? Okay. So for example, what is the question? The question is find the probability of getting the number 6. Number 6. The total, the possibility is 1 when I draw the die, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What is the question? What is the probability of getting the number 6? Out of 6 event, the probability of getting 6 only for 1. That is 1 divided by 6. You can expect these type of questions. And the probability of getting the even numbers. Even numbers. How many even numbers are? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So out of 6 event, the probability of getting the even numbers when I draw a dice, 3 divided by 6. 3 divided by 6. Sometime they ask the question, what is the probability of when I draw the die, getting both the dice will be 2. Okay. So it will be, you should be calculated. You should be take the arrangement. Okay. It will be 2 divided by 36. That type of questions we can expect in our examination. Another most important, especially for gambling, related to cards. What is the probability of getting the king cards? What is the probability of getting the queen? What is the probability of getting the diamond? That type of questions we can expect it in our examinations. Especially for these probability, they use for gambling, especially for playing the cards. Are you aware about cards? How many cards are there in a single pack? So in the questions they ask, in your study materials, the question number 2. What are the questions? One card is drawn from well pack is playing card. Find the probability of that card is an art. So out in your split card, 52 cards are there. 52 cards. Okay. Out of 52 cards, you should aware about the arrangement of 50 cards. So here, 36 black and 26 is red cards. Clear? Then here some combinations. What is the heart? Okay, diamond and spread. Another name called I forget the name. I don't know. I forget the name. That is another symbols. Okay, that is out of this one. The heart symbol and a diamond spread. Another one I forget that how we call this. Then out of here, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, K, king, queen, okay, then joker, then ace. So these in a heart symbol, 13 cards are there. 13 cards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then king, 1 queen, 1 joker, then one is ace. Okay. In the diamond also then spread also, then another one, I don't know what is actually called as. So here also there. Okay, so that type of, in your examination maybe they ask the question. What is the question in your study material? The first question, what is the probability of getting the heart? So heart, how many cards are there in the heart series? 13 cards are there. So in a packet, if you select, so total number of cards is 52 cards. 52. Out of 52 cards, 13 cards are heart symbol. Is it right? The probability of getting the heart will be out of 52 cards. The probability is 13. I think it's very clear. I understand the question. What is the probability of getting the heart? The heart cards. So out of 52, 32 cards are related to heart. Clear? Okay. So in the second, what is the probability of king? What is the probability of king? So king here, one king from heart, then diamond also king, then spread also king, then another one, there is also king. So here this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, K, Q, J, S, all are 4 cards. One card's heart, one card's diamond, one card spread, another one card will be. All type of card will be 4 cards are there. What is the question? The question is, what is the probability of getting the king? So out of 52 cards, the 4 cards are king. Out of 50, the probability is 52. So sorry, 4 divided by 52. Okay. Then, for example, especially for andar bar. Now when bedding the amount, for example, when we are playing the cards, so already one cards is already ಅವರು ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಿಂಗನ್ನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ಸು? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 3 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರೋದು. ಆವಾಗ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 3 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅದು ಹೊರಗಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 3 cards ಬಿದ್ದೋಗಿದೆ. What is the probability of getting the K? 0, because already there is no one cards in the packet. Is it right? For example, already 2 cards ಬಿದ್ದೋಗಿದೆ. The possibility ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಇರಬಹುದು, but possibility will be only for 50%. Wait ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದಾ? This card is probability. Clear? Then these type of especially in horse race, okay, there is a probability. Some scientific a calculation they are used for betting the amount. So like in your questions next they are asked the question, what is the question? What is the probability of getting the king or queen? King or queen? So out of 52 cards, what is the question? King. How many kings are there in a packet? 4 king. Then how many cards in a queen? 4. The total is 8 out of 52. Out of 52, 8 divided by 52 is king or queen. So another question is, what is the probability of getting the king with heart? King with heart. The king is 4 types of king are there. But here question, what is the probability of king and the king and it was a king or heart? King or heart? Now there is the most important. Out of 52 cards, what is the question? King or heart? So according to you, 4 king. Is it right? Then heart will be 13. Is it right? But here, if you take 4 as a heart, king, one of the king is heart. Is it right? So one of the king is art. So that's the reason 13 plus, sorry, 4 plus 13 minus 1. Minus 1. What is the reason? Because of, so one card is, it also king also, then art also. Clear? Then it will be 16 divided by 52. 16 divided by 52. Clear? Then sometime they ask the questions related to what the question is color. What is the probability of red king? Red or king? So out of 52, how many cards? 26 cards are red color. Out of 52, 26 are red color. Okay. So the king is 4. King is 4 cards. Out of 62, 2 cards also red. Is it right? So now 26 plus 4 minus 2. It will be 28 divided by 52. Okay. So these type of questions were expected in your examination. So the probability is very, very important, especially for gambling. For example, the most of the bookies in IPL, so each and every ball they are betting the amount. So they are using the probability. What is the chance of 6? What is the chance of wicket? What is the chance of winning? So they are using these probability equations. Okay. So tomorrow we continue the probability, some applications problem. Okay. Then we will also continue the tomorrow we can go for another matrix. Okay. Thank you.